It's very exciting to be around the original, and I find that over and over again with students when they see an old magazine from 1900 or something like that. They are very excited about that. It actually existed. They're touching the same thing that others had touched at the time. So what do you think the difference is? What do you get from the originals themselves that you can't get from the digital?
Well, this is a subjective answer, obviously, but I think you, first of all, get a sense of the thing. And if you're alert, your body fills up with feelings about whose hands touched this, who saw it, what was its trajectory of travel from creation to it being in our storage room. You feel the paper, the quality. There's even an aroma to some of these things, the feel. No matter how perfect the technologies of reproduction are, it's very, very difficult to capture color. That being said, I can do, and my colleagues can do, research of an incredible nature with close-ups, details. We can mix and match with collections around the world. In preparing for this website on visualizing cultures, there were a few prints we didn't have in our series here, and we were able to locate them from other collections, some in Japan, some elsewhere. So the person viewing the website has even greater access than we do.
I think you mentioned earlier the concept of an illustration in a book. And it's very important to know that doing what we're doing is not illustrations. And when there is an illustration in a book, you would have maybe one Kyochika print. And it would be just making or reinforcing a point that was mentioned in passing. But what you lack is the broader sense of many, many prints. And it's true, when we were building our sites on VC, we were able to take basic collections or runs of images and then go elsewhere to fill in holes. So that online, we have been able to present essentially complete runs of all the images which no exhibition or no institution usually possesses.
That's correct.
Yeah. And one of the things, particularly for students or very interested viewers of these things, is you can go into the databases and you can build your own grids. You can pull them out, you can zoom in, see what you want of something that's quite definitive and very wide-ranging. And this is the new world that I think has changed pedagogy in our modern times.